a bustling educational laboratory filled with the eager minds of tomorrow's scientists. Among the beakers and microscopes, there sits a sleek, compact device, the Mix Mini Vortex Mixer by Xair. This little dynamo isn't just another piece of equipment, it's a teaching tool that transforms the way students learn and experiment. With its intuitive controls and user-friendly design, the Mix Mini Vortex Mixer empowers students to perform mixing tasks with confidence. From blending chemical solutions to preparing biological samples, Its mixer ensures consistency and accuracy, fostering a deeper understanding of scientific principles. Its robust construction withstands the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable companion for educators and learners alike. Xair, a trusted name in scientific equipment for over a decade, understands the importance of quality in educational settings. That's why we're offering a special promotion for educational institutions. Equip your lab with the Mix Mini Vortex Mixer, available exclusively to schools and universities. You can contact me through my homepage email address to learn more about the product and cover additional details about this thrilling proposal and discover how we can facilitate your educational aspirations.